Everything in the universe is vibration. Everything is frequency. And prayer is no exception. Those who understand this principle discover that true prayer is not a request. It is not an act of supplication. It does not beg, it acknowledges. If you want to change your reality, you must understand a fundamental truth. The universe doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you are. Since childhood, we were taught that prayer is about asking, that we must beg, plead. But this is one of humanity's greatest mistakes. When you ask, what vibration are you emitting? Lack, scarcity. And the universe, which only responds to your frequency, keeps reflecting that lack back to you. Imagine two people who both want to manifest more money. The first one says, I desperately need money. I can't pay my bills. They are vibrating desperation and scarcity. And their reality reflects exactly that. The second one says, I am grateful for the abundance that already exists. Money flows to me in unexpected ways. They are vibrating gratitude and certainty. And their reality aligns accordingly. The universe does not respond to your words, it responds to your energy. The AAA formula for true prayer. Bashar is a multidimensional consciousness channeled by Darryl Anka for over 40 years. His teachings are rooted in vibration, manifestation, and universal laws, explaining that your reality is a direct reflection of the frequency you emit. One of the most powerful concepts Bashar shares is that true prayer is not a request, but a state of being. And to achieve this state, he introduces the AAA formula. Number 1, acknowledge, recognize. You cannot manifest a new reality while focusing on the absence of it. The first step is to shift your focus away from what is missing and recognize what is already present in your life. Even if your desire is not yet fully realized, there are already signs that it is unfolding. If you want to manifest more money, ask yourself, is there already some form of abundance in my life? Maybe you have food in your fridge. Maybe someone recently gifted you something. Maybe opportunities are already around you, but you haven't noticed them. What happens when you acknowledge? Your focus shifts from lack to presence. And where your focus goes, your vibration follows. Number 2, appreciate, feel gratitude. What you appreciate expands. After acknowledging what already exists, the next step is to feel genuine gratitude. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it is a frequency that amplifies your connection to what you desire. If you want to manifest a loving relationship, instead of focusing on loneliness, practice appreciation. What relationships already exist in my life? Supportive friends. Moments when you have felt love, even if not in a romantic way. The love you can cultivate within yourself. What happens when you appreciate? Gratitude acts as an energetic beacon, sending the universe a clear message. I already have love in my life. And that vibration attracts more love to you. Number 3, allow, let it flow. The biggest barrier to manifestation is not lack, it is resistance. The final step is the hardest for many, letting go and trusting the flow. The universe has already received your vibration. Now, you must allow the circumstances to unfold naturally. If you want a new job but are feeling anxious and constantly doubting, you are creating resistance. Allowing means stop worrying about when and how things will happen. Act as if your desire is already fulfilled. Be open to unexpected paths. Often, manifestations come in ways you didn't anticipate. What happens when you allow? You enter flow. And flow is the state where manifestations happen effortlessly. How prayer affects the quantum field. Science has already shown us something fascinating. Reality is not fixed. The matter that makes up everything we see and touch is not solid, it is energy in motion. Quantum physics proves that subatomic particles exist in a state of possibility until they are observed. This means that your consciousness directly influences the world around you. One of the most famous quantum physics experiments, the double-slit experiment, demonstrated that light particles, photons, behave either as waves or particles depending on human observation. In other words, the mere act of observing changes reality. If everything is energy, and if consciousness influences matter, then what you focus on becomes real. Your vibration determines your experience. Prayer is not a request to an external entity. It is a frequency tuner, like adjusting a radio to receive a specific station. If you are vibrating in scarcity and desperation, that is what you will experience. If you are vibrating in abundance and certainty, your reality will reflect that. Imagine you want to manifest a new job. If you pray like this, "Please, universe, give me a better job. I need this so badly." You are vibrating neediness and desperation. That vibration reinforces the lack of work. Now, if you pray like this, "I am grateful for the amazing opportunities that are already coming to me. I trust that I am on the right path." You are vibrating certainty and gratitude. This aligns your energy with success. True prayer is not a request but an energetic alignment with the reality you want to experience. It's not about convincing the universe to give you something. It's about becoming the frequency of what you wish to live. Now that you understand that true prayer is not a request but a state of being, how can you apply this in your daily life? The key to manifestation: becoming the frequency. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. Your vibration is the starting point of every manifestation. If you want to change your reality, you must first change how you feel now. But how can you do this in practice? Practice 1. Wordless prayer. True prayer does not require words. What truly matters is the emotional state you assume while praying. Step by step, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize your desired reality as if it is already happening. Feel the emotions of that reality right now. If it's abundance, feel prosperous. If it's love, feel loved. Stay in this state for a few minutes. This is how you align your vibration. What happens when you do this? Your mind and body cannot tell the difference between what is real and what is vividly imagined with emotion. So by entering this state now, you begin aligning your frequency with what you want to manifest. Practice 2. The morning manifestation ritual. Your first thought of the day sets your vibration. The way you start your day influences your frequency for the rest of the day. So before checking your phone or worrying about your tasks, do this. Step by step, express gratitude for 3 things that already exist in your life. Declare a positive affirmation about something you wish to manifest. "Oh, I am worthy of success. Oh, I am in harmony with my life. Oh, I am a magnet for incredible opportunities." Feel as if it is already real. What happens when you do this? You start your day in a high vibration. Your brain gets conditioned to focus on the positive, aligning your energy to attract experiences that match your desired frequency. Practice 3. The quick realignment method. If your energy drops throughout the day, you can realign it. If you notice your vibration dropping, if doubt, fear, or frustration creep in, pause and reset your frequency. Step by step, take a deep breath and bring your focus to the present moment. Ask yourself, what is something positive happening right now? Repeat a thought of alignment, such as, "Oh, I trust the flow of life. Oh, what I desire is already on its way. Oh, everything is happening in my favor." What happens when you do this? You stop a negative pattern before it gains momentum. Over time, your vibration stays high for longer periods. True prayer is not a request. It is a state of certainty and alignment. When you acknowledge, appreciate, and allow, you become the vibration of what you want to experience. Everything you desire already exists on some level of reality. The only thing separating you from it is the frequency you are tuned into. Now, I invite you to try it. Stop asking. Start recognizing. Feel as if it's already real. And watch the universe respond. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me continue bringing reflections like this. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next one.